From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
French onion soup, soupe à l'oignon in French, is a classic dish with humble origins that has evolved into a beloved staple of French cuisine. Its history is intertwined with peasant cooking, royal indulgence, and modern culinary refinement. Onions have been a dietary staple since ancient times due to their affordability and long shelf life. The earliest versions of onion-based soups date back to Roman times, where onions were often cooked in broth as a simple, nourishing meal for soldiers and laborers. However, the French version as we know it today developed much later. During the Middle Ages, onions were a common ingredient in European peasant cooking. Poor families relied on onions, bread, and broth to create filling meals. The modern version of French onion soup likely began taking shape in 18th century Paris, where street vendors sold restaurants, restorative broths to workers and late-night revelers. Onion soup was particularly popular among the working class and was often eaten in the early morning after a night of drinking. A popular, though likely apocryphal story claims that French onion soup was invented by King Louis XV of France. According to the tale, the king returned late one night to his hunting lodge, hungry but with only onions, butter, and champagne in the pantry. He combined them to make the first French onion soup. While this story is charming, it's more probable that the dish was already a common peasant meal before being refined by French chefs. The dish gained wider recognition in the 19th century, particularly in Parisian cafes and bistros. The key innovation was the addition of caramelized onions, slow-cooked until deep brown and sweet, and gratinade cheese, toasted bread with melted cheese on top. This version was popularized in Les Halles, Paris's historic central market, where it was served to workers and shoppers as a hearty, warming dish. Auguste Escoffier, the father of modern French cuisine, included French onion soup in his 1903 Le Guide Culinaire, cementing its place in haute cuisine. His recipe called for beef broth, caramelized onions, and a topping of crusty bread and Gruyere cheese, broiled to perfection. In the 20th century, French onion soup became a global favorite, appearing on menus worldwide. The combination of rich broth, sweet onions, and melted cheese made it a comforting classic. Variations emerged, including the use of different cheeses, such as Comté or Emmental, and broths. Some versions even use white wine or cognac for extra depth. From its humble beginnings as a peasant dish to its status as a gourmet classic, French onion soup remains a testament to the power of simple ingredients transformed through slow cooking and culinary artistry. Whether enjoyed in a Parisian bistro or at home, it continues to warm hearts and palates around the world.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.